Hey guys, Voltage here again. I've got a new tutorial on something that I've been asked in the past. So I thought I'll cover it again here. Now, um, I primarily use plugins that come with FL Studio, and they are called the native plugins. Native plugins are plugins that um, work flawlessly with whatever environment you're using, whatever workstation. And the native plugins within FL Studio work amazingly well within FL Studio, and they can do a lot of things that third-party plugins, so plugins that aren't made by ImageLine, can't do. And one of the things with that is, let's say, Harmless, which is a native plugin within FL Studio. If I wanted to automate anything, I can just simply right mouse click on it and create an automation clip. And then bam, you'll see it just pops up here and I can edit it. All nice and simple and very straightforward. Now, when you're using a plugin that isn't native, for instance, Vanguard here, it is quite different the way that you do it, and I always get asked how I do it. Um, and it's really simple, really easy. So we have our little sound here, so let's just get our little sound here going. Okay, so we've got a nice little loop there. And maybe I want to just do a low pass cut of it. Just have the cutoff start down low and then slowly build up. Now it's really simple within FL Studio to be able to do this. All you do is you just move the knob and go up to Tools, Last Tweaked, and then Create Automation Clip. So you move the knob first, so FL Studio can pick up which knob's being, what data needs to be changed and worked with. And then you just go to Tools, Last Tweaked, Create Automation Clip, and then bam, it's there. And then, yeah, you can just simply edit it from there. So let's say I move that right down to the bottom. I go copy value, right mouse click, paste the value. Then let's say I wanted it to go all the way up to the top. So we're starting here and then we'll build it up. Let's go Tools, Last Tweaked, copy value, and we'll make it build up to here. Right mouse click and then paste value. So obviously I could have just right mouse clicked in here and changed it to how I wanted it to be. But just showing you just for the sake of it's another cool little way where you can just copy the values and get things perfect. But yeah, that's how you do it. It's all nice and simple. And let's have a listen to what we've just done. So that's how you do it. It's really basic. So any one of these knobs I can actually automate. I just touch it and move it. So FL Studio picks up the data that I want to automate. And then Tools, Last Tweaked, Create Automation Clip. It's just that simple. Now another little trick you can do is, let's say I wanted this to also be linked to this controller as well. So this automation clip that goes up and then down and then up. And I wanted this knob here to do what this is doing. All you do is you just move it, Tools, Last Tweaked, and link to controller. Now we can create an automation clip and just copy the exact same guidelines as this one, but there's no point. We might as well just use one automation clip to control them both. So what we'll do is we'll go link to controller and then we just choose the one that we have, which is this one here, Vanguard filter, and then accept. Make sure that remove conflicts isn't ticked. If that's highlighted and you accept it, it's going to unlink this one and make it only this one that's using this, and this won't be doing anything. So make sure that's unticked and then accept it. And then now if we watch, that simple. Now another little trick that that I use quite a bit as well is, let's say we wanted this one as we have here start at 0 and then go all the way up to 100%, and then this one actually start at 100% and go all the way down to 0. So we want this knob to be doing the opposite of this one. Well, we can still do that. So what we do is we move this one and we'll use the same automation clip. So when this goes up, we want this to go down. So what we're going to do is we're going to go Tools, well, move it first, Tools, Last Week, Link to Controller, then we choose the controller we want it to link to, but then the mapping formula, we invert it, so it's going to be doing the opposite, and you go accept, and then now watch, this one's going to start here, and this one will start there, and they'll be doing the opposite of each other. And there we have it. That's how you automate using a non-native FL Studio plugin. Now the cool thing about that is with automation you can do so much. We can go crazy with all the different shapes and everything, but also you can come up with some really cool, funky sounding patches and ideas just coming from automation. Now, I really liked it when these were both moving at the same time. They actually sounded really nice, so I'll probably use that later on. But in the meantime, I've actually put together a little something which you may have heard before, and it's using Silence. And it's just to give you an example of automation within FL Studio using non-native plugins. Hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, I'm looking forward to reading more requests. So keep inboxing me, and I'll do the best I can to fulfill them all. Cheers. Bye.